Ever wish your opinion could actually put some cash in your pocket? While Google doesn't directly pay for reviews, there are clever ways to monetize your feedback and reputation-building skills. Let's dive in. First, consider offering your services as a freelance Google review manager. Businesses need help responding to reviews and improving their online image, and many will happily pay someone to handle this for them. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find clients. Next, look for businesses in your area that are struggling with their online reputation. Offer to help them get more positive reviews. By providing excellent customer service, you can negotiate a rate based on the improvement in their star rating or the number of reviews received. To incentivize customers to leave reviews, suggest businesses implement a loyalty program or offer small discounts for those who share their experiences online. Make sure they're offering genuine discounts, not just manipulating reviews. Some platforms and market research companies offer rewards, like gift cards or discounts, in exchange for providing feedback on businesses. Remember to disclose that you're receiving compensation in your review. This ensures transparency. Always, and I mean always, write honest and helpful reviews. Avoid leaving fake or misleading feedback, as this can harm consumers and damage a business's reputation, and potentially result in penalties. So, while you won't get rich writing Google reviews, with a little creativity and ethical practices, you can turn your opinion into a legitimate income stream. Now go forth and monetize responsibly. Be sure to like and subscribe for more money-making tips.